While Amazon is actually lagging behind when it comes to releasing generative AI or artificial intelligence services, if you compare them to other cloud providers or other independent providers, they are trying to bridge that gap by offering to upskill around 2 million people in 1 year or towards the end of next year 2024 in AI uh, through various courses and various other initiatives. In this press release or the web release, Amazon has said that they are going to launch this new program called as AI Ready, which is a commitment to provide free AI skills training to 2 million people by 2025. This initiative includes 8 new free AI courses, which I'll show you shortly, also 12 million in generative AI scholarships, and a collaboration with code.org, which is shown on your screen. And this is the release where Amazon has pledged to provide free AI skills. Now, Amazon is saying that their aim is to provide AI education accessible to everyone. And if I walk you through this press release, you will see that there are a lot of good things happening. But this photo really uh, puts me bit makes me a bit anxious about this initiative because this is AWS SageMaker where you have to race some of the cars, and I have done it few times, and I'm a huge fan of AWS and Amazon, but sorry to say this is not what generative AI is, and it totally uh, puts you off towards generative AI. So I hope that AWS or Amazon would stop marketing this thing and focus on the real generative AI stuff. Anyway, that out of the way. So as part of this AI Ready, there are three initiatives. First one, 8 new free and AI courses, then scholarship, providing 50,000 high school and university students globally with access to new Gen AI courses on Udacity. Also, the collaboration with code.org. Okay, now here are some statistics where um, 73% of employers have said that their top priority is to hire AI skilled workforce. And then if you do that and if you get upskilled in that, you will be earning 47% more in salaries. And AI will become integral to the way business is done, with 93% of businesses expecting that they will be using AI solutions. Okay, so if I scroll down, these are the courses which AWS is going to offer. There is Introduction to Gen AI, which is of course providing introduction to all the conceptual beginnings. And then there is Generative AI Learning Plan for Decision Maker. It is a three-course series covering how to plan a Gen AI project. And you can find it on AWS Skill Builder. And I already have done another video on Skill Builder as how to use it and what you can expect there. And then there is this Code Whisperer thing. I also have a video on this if you want to watch on my channel. And then for developers and technical audiences, there are various courses including from prompt engineering to low code, and then how to build models on AWS SageMaker, and what is Amazon Transcribe and how to use it as a fully managed AI service. And this is basically used for ASR or automatic speech recognition. And then how to use Bedrock. I also have a full course on Bedrock if you are interested in that, and that is free too. So I'm already making you AI ready. And as I mentioned earlier, you can have 12 million in Gen AI scholarship if you qualify, of course. So, and this is again, I did a video last week on Code Dance Party, which you can look, and it is quite interesting if you want to have a play with it. So, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking for free courses, and quality of Amazon courses is always good, so I would highly suggest you go through it. It's free, it's up to date, so why not? Thanks for watching. And if you know of any other sources of information or any other thoughts, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.